Hi, I am Bella. Here we will learn about how can you archive and restore Dubverse projects. There are 3 methods to archive projects. Method 1. You can archive project from Project Output page. Open Project Output page. Now click on the 3 dots under the video player. Now click on the Archive button, and your project will be archived. Method 2. Archive from Homepage. Click on the 3 dots under the project. Now click on the Archive button. A toast notification will appear at the bottom of the screen. Method 3. Archive from Folder. Open the folder you want to archive. Click on the Multiple Select option. Click on the Select All option to archive whole folder. Or you can also select projects of your choice. Now click on the Archive button. Click on the Confirm button and your projects will be archived. You can also restore your archived projects. Click on the Archive button at the bottom left corner. Click on the 3 dots under the project. Now click on the Restore button. And your projects will be restored.